Hello and welcome to the tutorial of the Thumbnail Generator 0.73 beta. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, I found time to update the program according to your suggestions, and yeah, I'm here now to introduce it to you. So the initial stuff hasn't changed much. You have to install Python 3.5.0 or higher to run the program. After that, you start the program by clicking on executable. The generator will initially create all the necessary data structures to be able to run. For the sake of the update, I will show you the changes first before I show you how to use it. Lo and behold, we have a display now. Yeah. The image on the center is the current state of the thumbnail. It will refresh every time you change something except for the numbers of the custom origin, due to a workaround I have to do. This will be changed in the next update because I have to rewrite a lot of code and change the library to improve on that. Another quality of life feature are the scales. It isn't necessary anymore to edit the scale of your numbers or your part sprite in the image editor. You can change the size from half to double the size of the original. Another new thing I added to the program are the sets. If you start the program the first time, the only set available is the dummy. The first thing you have to do to add a new set is close the program, go to the set folder, which is in the thumbnail generators/resources folder. In the set folder you will find the dummy. So now to add a new set, the easiest way to do that is to copy the dummy, rename it whatever you like, in my case Cobble Space Program or in short KSP, and replace all the images inside the set with your PNGs. So let's see that in action. I prepared two sets. The first is the Draft set and the former mentioned KSP set. Restart the program, and the initial set which will be displayed is the first set in the alphabetically sorted list. Here on the top right you can change the current set. Now with a set selected, you are able to edit the thumbnail to your wishes. Another small thing is the displayed number in the center is a random number between your start and your end settings. When you are happy with your settings, name the thumbnails, no space at the end, set a range from the start to end, and click create. After that, the application will inform you where it saved the pictures. The exports are normally saved in Thumbnails Generator/thumbnails. If you just need an overlay with an alpha channel, select the fitting set. In this case, KSP, which has an alpha channel value, check export as PNG and hit create. The program is also able to export your thumbnails in folders if you wish so. I hope the improvements are useful to you. I created over 700 images this way and saved roughly 50 work hours the last year through that. So if you have any suggestions for another improvements or quality of life things I could add, leave it in the comments, like and or share it so other people can save more time on this precious little pal in space. So then, see you later.